Hi Manila! Valentine's Day is just around the corner and today we are here at the streets of Manila and we prepared some love questions with a twist.
Hi, I'm Joy.
Kai po.
I'm Scott.
Pamela.
Sky.
Darrell.
How long would you wait before getting proposed to? Pero for me, naglalas dapat yung pagiging like as boyfriend and girlfriend in 6 years. But the 2 years is the preparation for getting proposed to.
Would you date someone who just came out of a long-term relationship? Yes, I would date someone who came from a long-term relationship. Kasi I believe na kung ano man ang mamamagitan sa inyong dalawa, yun at yun na rin yun. And hindi na yun para anuhin pa ng past ng.
Would you consider dating a friend?
Before you date someone, I think na you should know that person muna.
Yes, I think a good foundation for a good friendship, for a good relationship is being friends with each other first.
Thoughts if your partner wants to keep things private or post everything online? You truly love someone, hindi ka magdadalawang isip na itago siya or yung parang sa inyong dalawa. So,
Do you think LDR really works? It's always about the foundation of trust and ayun, kung gaano nyo kakilala isa't isa, doon nag-root yung foundation ng relationship. So I think LDR works.
I think